Hello, Kostas Kapis here, and these are the foods the fishes that contain fish oil high in omega-3. These are the omega-3 grams per portion, and these are the health claims, the approved ones by EFSA. This is how good is for our body the omega-3 fatty acids, you can see here. So the issue with eating foods high in omega-3 is that even if we eat those every day, we cannot achieve the optimal ratio between omega-6 and omega-3, which is the 3:1, whereas the 15:1 ratio between omega-6 and omega-3 is and above, it's when you reach the danger zone, because of the imbalance of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are taken from our food only. We are not producing those, so we can see the results by taking a dried blood spot test, which is scientifically based, home administered, and independently managed analysis. The results are anonymous. You do the test and you send the results to Vitas University in Norway, and the results out of 820,000 people that have taken it show that there is a world of imbalance between the imbalance between omega-6 to omega-3. So you send the results there, and as you see, the near 99% of the people, between 95 and 99 actually, are out of balance. What this causes what are the consequences? You can see here the reduced brain function, the reduced heart function, the reduced organ function, joint and muscle pain, skin with loose elasticity, and hair quality. So what we can do about it is take a supplement, which is an omega-3 supplement from wild fish, which is preserved in a premature olive oil, which contains polyphenols that preserve the omega-3. Research shows that the omega-3 taken out of krill is being in our body for 5 hours, concentrated omega-3 for 9 hours, cod liver oil for 15 hours, whereas the balance oil stays in our body for 35 hours. The other ones are being oxidating, and so with the balance oil we can have within 120 days we can reach the optimal ratio from the optimal ratio between omega-3 and omega-6 in 3:1. Balance oil is a certified oil, natural, with all these certifications. There is also a vegan formula which is made out of algae and is vegan certified, and the balance oil and the omega-3 is has health benefits at every stage of our life. Until next time, like my video, subscribe, and remember that health is our choice.